Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals error code 10. Usually it's related to Epic Games, only Epic Games, not Steam, and it's related to network issues as well. So let me show how. First of all, what I suggest to do here, if you are getting this on Epic Games, just leave the client opened on your desktop while you're trying to run the game and look if the problem persists, because for some people it helped. Another thing that you need to do here is to open up command prompt. Right click on it, run as admin, and then you need to put few commands. First one is ipconfig /flush DNS, ipconfig /flush DNS, and then nesh winsock reset. After that, you can close this. You need to restart your computer and also go to settings, then go to network and internet, find your advanced network settings, find your internet connection, more adapter options, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and just use Google DNS servers and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, what you need to do here next is to go to Epic Games and then look for a Marvel Rivals game. So let's say this game is Fortnite is Marvel Rivals. Go manage, open install file location, and then look for exe file, right? So let's say this is Marvel Rivals. So you just need to copy and paste path, go back on Steam, add a game, and in a non-Steam game, browse, paste the path here, add the exe file, and then launch the game from Steam, because it should work. And also, if this do not work for you, what I suggest to do here is to install Marvel Rivals on Steam, and you should be getting no issues. So yeah, that's basically it. And also another one, go to properties, installed files, browse. Also, this could help. You just need to go to Marvel Rivals launcher, show more options, properties, compatibility, and then make sure disable full screen optimization is selected and run this program as administrator, and try to launch my Marvel Rivals from exe file and look if the problem persists. So yeah, that's basically it.